To successfully build a brand, it is important to know about brand awareness and also how to build it. This short video will give you all the insights you need to know about brand awareness. Brand awareness is crucial for effective marketing, representing how familiar customers are with a brand and its products. It goes beyond recognition. It aims to create positive perceptions and differentiate from competitors. Here's why brand awareness matters. Building trust. Familiar brands inspire customer trust, increasing purchase likelihood. Driving sales. Greater brand recognition boosts conversion rates and repeat purchases. Enhancing loyalty. Strong brand awareness fosters emotional connections and loyalty. Facilitating word of mouth. Recognizable brands benefit from positive word-of-mouth referrals. Cost-effective marketing. Established brands achieve better marketing returns and effectiveness. Market leadership. High brand awareness positions a brand as an industry leader. Gathering feedback. Familiar brands can easily gather customer feedback for improvement. These elements show that brand awareness shapes customer behavior, influences purchasing decisions, and drives long-term business success. By cultivating recognition and trust, brands can foster loyalty, enhance revenue, and navigate competitive markets effectively. To build brand awareness, there are essential stages which are crucial for connecting with customers and driving business success. Unaware. This is where customers have no knowledge of the brand. Effective strategies here include content marketing and social media advertising to introduce the brand. Brand recognition. Customers can identify the brand through its logo and packaging. Consistent visual branding and event sponsorships enhance recognition. Brand recall. At this stage, customers can remember the brand without prompts. Engaging storytelling and interactive content help make the brand memorable. Top-of-mind awareness. This occurs when customers think of the brand first in its category. Search engine optimization and consistent messaging keep the brand visible and top of mind. Brand preference. Customers begin to favor the brand over others. Strategies like showcasing customer reviews and loyalty programs reinforce this preference. Brand loyalty. Customers consistently choose the brand, driven by positive experiences. Excellent customer service and personalization foster loyalty. Brand advocacy. Here, customers actively recommend the brand to others. Referral programs and user-generated content encourage advocacy. By employing targeted tactics at each stage, businesses can effectively guide customers from unfamiliarity to advocacy, building a strong brand presence and lasting loyalty in the market. Brand awareness plays a critical role in business growth. It emphasizes that customer trust is built through personal experience with a brand, fostering familiarity and confidence that lead to loyalty. Retaining existing customers is more cost-effective than acquiring new ones, and brands with strong awareness typically achieve higher market shares through repeat purchases and referrals. A brand's reputation is crucial. Consistently delivering quality enhances credibility. As brand awareness increases, it lays a foundation for profitability and can significantly boost revenue. Prioritizing brand awareness helps businesses attract and retain customers, ensuring long-term growth and market presence. We offer comprehensive information about brand awareness to help you dive deeper into this subject and discover valuable insights on sales and marketing. Our course is designed to guide you in expanding your business and increasing revenue. By registering on our website, you'll get access to detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn and how it can support your business growth. This in-depth program covers all aspects of building and scaling a business through effective sales and marketing strategies. Thanks for watching.